If you've lost access to your Uber account and cannot use your email, there are still ways to recover it. Follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Open the Uber app. Launch the Uber app on your mobile device. If you are not logged in, you will be prompted to enter your phone number. Step 2. Select Need Help. On the login screen, look for the Need Help option or similar link. This will guide you to the account recovery options available. Step 3. Choose Account Recovery. Select the option that allows you to recover your account. You may be asked to provide your phone number associated with the account to verify your identity. Step 4. Verify your identity. Follow the prompts to verify your identity. This may include receiving a verification code via SMS to your registered phone number. Step 5. Create a new password. Once your identity is verified, you will be given the option to create a new password. Set a strong password that you can remember and log into your account. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider reaching out to Uber support for further assistance.